Hi, everybody. I went to a church rummage sale and oh boy, did I score some beads. Three big old tubs of them. So uh, I'm only now getting to really look at what I found. So I will share it with you. Starting by, let's see, getting this close-up guy in. I'll do a share screen. Oh, here we go. I'll position it right so you can see what I got here. All right, screen share. So, oh man, I should have got my glasses, but um, tubs and tubs of stuff. This has, let's see, thank you to the person who donated it to the church. I bet they're going to get, hopefully they're going to get lots of, hopefully they sold everything. I've got a huge selection of bead needles here. Well, this is size 10 to 12 beading needles. Those are beading needles. These are clearly larger needles of some pretty big holes and stuff. So imagine the embroidery and other things. These look like what they call sharps. I usually don't use them, but hey, I might now. I don't know, why not? And more craft needles. So again, those I'll use for things other than beading. This is a needle threader. It doesn't really work too great with seed bead needles, but it works great with other needles, so I'm not going to complain. Thank you, anonymous donor, for including that. This as well, looks like a kit from PotomacBeads.com. And they have, oh boy, okay, they've got but that's a place where you can put your bead needles, and for anybody who's that into beading, you can bead around this. It's just raw wood, so it looks like it's really begging for embellishment. I don't know, it looks like a kit of some sort, and it doesn't say these are quarter tilas beads, so they're like super tiny, and they've got two holes. These are seed beads. These are, yeah, more quarter kilos. So they're like super tiny, wafer thin, and they've got two holes, I believe. Yeah, they've got two holes. So very intriguing. It's like somebody decided to get a kit with this color scheme, I think I have this color in my Etsy shop actually. It's this wonderful interesting shade of green, translucent, nice salmon color, matte white, and matte, kind of a cream color. So, interesting. It doesn't say anything except wood needle case. So it doesn't say what it was for, but that's all right. Half the time I would just plunder the beads and not you do the kit anyway. This is, oh, somebody had the genius idea to use a, like uh, one of those spice containers that spritzes out the spice or the red pepper flakes on your pizza or whatever as a chain dispenser. So that is cool and fun. And I will put this in here this way so it stays intact. But yeah, it's that great kind of text antique brass color stuff. Let's see what these are. Oh, seed beads. Yeah, this is your basic cool plastic container, glass, size 6, black seed beads. Black goes with everything. Black is beautiful, literally and figuratively. Ah, these might even be, what is it? Glow in the dark. I don't know. I'll have to try that out tonight. See if they glow in the dark. Yeah, just more. These are super duo, either super duos or twins. Let's see what it says on the top. No, they are super duos. Cool. Silky silver. More two-hole beads. I love two-hole beads. Two holes, twice the fun. What can I say? Uh, I love these. I have some of these in my Etsy shop. They are size 6, and they call them etched marbled. They've got a basic color, and then they've got a gold marbling on it. So that's always fun. And then more super duos. Focus Sesame. Thank you. Yeah, two-hole beads are like little footballs. They're great. I love them. You do the herringbone does really well. You can do really cool herringbone stuff with super duos. Now, before we go farther, oh, ooh, they call this 3-cut, and it's size 9. Don't ask me why they make regular seed beads in mostly size 11, size 6, and size 8. And then the cut beads, the 3-cuts, faceted seed beads, are always size 9 and size 12. God knows why. That's okay. It's a bead. What can I say? The thing with 3-cuts is that what they start with is a long hexagonal tube. They cut it crossways, so they get these little miniature hexagons, and then they have to facet off the corners. So it makes for that wonderful facet. That's what 3-cuts are all about. That's why you get the extra glitz that way. Oh, more super duos or twins. Yay. And again, wonderful for herringbone, what can I say? Um, oh, this lady had, I am assuming she's a lady. Who knows? It might be a guy who had all these beads. Focus Sesame. Thank you. These are, well, they are little seed beads, or excuse me, they're little shaped beads with, I don't have my glasses on me. Why don't I have my glasses on me? Either one or two holes. Focus Sesame. Tell us if it has one hole. Yes, one hole. So it's a kind of a wiggly bead with, so it's a dangly wiggly bead. Technical terminology. Flowers. The tub said green, so yes, it's green. It's gorgeous. That is fun. I think I put some things in here that weren't green, but that's all right. Again, it's that wiggly bead. Oh no, they do that. This one has 2 holes. Oh, 3 holes, excuse me. Triple holes. So triple play on the so though you can make really interesting fun things with that. This is another one of those genius ways of doing things, uh, keeping chain intact and available for your use. So cut off as much as you want, put the tail end back in there, and boom, stays together, stays with it, stays coherent. These were just fun and gorgeous, classic teardrop shaped faceted fire polished glass beads in many gorgeous colors. Good earring material. If you like to make earrings, you can make a really cool, just simple earring with just one of these on each ear. Focus Sesame, baby. It's like, that's all it takes. It's great. Simple is best sometimes. More, let me guess. It's a duo. Clear. Okay, cool. I don't have that. I have super duo. I have super duos and twins, but not in that color. One of those colors. Then, oh boy, more. This is just wonderful. Size 6 seed beads in a clear, kind of a greenish gray. Wonderful. What can I say? Can't argue with that. And beading thread. So some of these are console. I think the other two are, one of them's Nymo. I don't know what this one is. Oh, excuse me. I wasn't holding it up right. So you can see it. This is undoubtedly Nymo. Huh, it's not labeled as to the size. Okay. This is Conso. That's another legitimate beading thread. This is, well, whatever it is, it's made in USA. Oh, Conso as well. And this is totally unmarked. And I have no idea what it is, but all I need to do to find out about it is to spring some up on a needle and do some bead weaving. When in doubt, do things. When in doubt, deploy. I'm not talking military deployment, I'm talking fun deployment. I'm talking creative deployment. So let's see a little bit. Oh, some more mystery beads. Oh boy. Oh, this is a little bit of lampshade trim. I think these are plastic, but hey, that's all right. Plastic beads are beads too. The bicone beads, these orange and yellow beads are plastic, but the beads in between them are glass. Glass is more expensive, but it's really plastic doesn't hold up. It's not convenient. So it's not production wise. It's for the trouble that you'd have to go through to produce beads of this type and size. Focus sesame with plastic. You may as well just use glass because you can get better colors, better finish, and it's sturdier. And I don't know if very rarely have I ever seen plastic beads done this small. And again, remember the 3-cut beads that I showed you a minute ago? I'll get them out again. I'll contrast those seed beads with these. These are also shining a little bit different. These started out as a hexagonal tube and then were further faceted from there. These are that hexagonal tube without further faceting. And you can see there's plenty of sparkle with those hexagonal seed beads. They're just not as over the top as these guys. So we do have 2 more things to show you. Let's see, and that was carefully tucked in here. That's wild. This is, let's see, made in Japan. It doesn't have the supplier's name on there, but and of course I should have brought my glasses. Oh, I see. Now I can see it. Delica hex. It's a hexagonal delica, and it's size 14. So it's a tiny hexagonal delica. Let's see if I can do this without spilling too many of them. I do have a small funnel, but yeah, these oh, this is one of those okay, here it comes. Yeah, these are these are hexagonals. Focus sesame, thank you. And they're delicas. Delicas are a special type of seed bead that are renowned for their regularity. You can count on them to be generally you can count on each bead to be the same size as the next one in the package, and with no you're not going to end up throwing beads away, I'll put it that way. It's a wonderful color. They're not cheap. I'm really extremely gratified and grateful to find these in here. It's really fun stuff. And this is, oh, I think it was a candy. Yeah, it was a British, yeah, produced in England by the Chambers Candy Company. Hales Owen. Okay. Guess what? It makes a really cool bag, a really cool small box. So that's, and of course it's decorative, can't go wrong with the decoration aspect of it. So that can be, it can be a place for storing some beads. It can also be a nice way to, you know, if you make a pair of earrings for somebody, they will fit in the spots if there's snow in them. So why not? Um, so I want to thank the Gloria Dei Lutheran Church for having a rummage sale, and I want to thank the lady who we ran into at the Goodwills who said that, oops, that who told us about the sale because it wasn't advertised. And what else do I want to thank? I want to thank you for joining me in uncovering some of these wacky, last-minute fun treasures here. And I'll do another one for the next one, which is more seed beads and things and such, and I think some print beads and such. So that's the next video coming up. I'll see you next time. Hope you enjoyed this. Take it easy. Oh, and before I forget, before I forget, don't you forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you like and want to subscribe. That helps my channel and it helps me keep providing fun, wacky videos like this for you. All right, take it easy. Bye.